The world is a beautiful but deadly place, I checked. So the world can be a very dangerous place for humans. There are many things that are dangerous for us, but plants are one of them. As it turns out that the earth is full of many types of plants that are deadly. There are an estimated 390,000 known species of plants, with many more yet to be discovered depending on the environment in which they thrive, have developed powerful defense mechanisms to protect themselves from harm. If you ever see these plants far away, you are about to see some of the deadliest plants that eat animals. Venus flytraps. The Venus flytrap is one of the most remarkable and unusual plants in the natural world. This carnivorous plant, technically known as Dionea muscipula, is indigenous to the bogs of North and South Carolina in the United States. The Venus flytrap has developed a remarkable strategy for surviving in soil deficient in nutrients. It catches and consumes insects. The plant's leaves are uniquely made to create traps that, when an insect lands on 2 or more of the sensitive hairs on the leaf, may close very quickly, often in only 0.1 seconds. When an insect is caught, the plant releases digestive enzymes to break down its meal and closes the leaf. Because of its remarkable versatility, the Venus flytrap can thrive in environments that would be challenging for other plants. Even though Venus flytraps are carnivorous by nature, they can be grown as houseplants with the right care and are a favorite among botanists and curious gardeners. Their unique habit and minimal care needs make them an excellent addition to any collection of plants. Tropical pitcher. The tropical pitcher plant, also known as Nepenthes, is an attractive carnivorous plant native to Southeast Asia, including countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. These plants are known for their unique pitcher-shaped leaves, which act as traps for insects and other small prey. It attracts insects with vivid colors and attractive scents. Over the extra slippery, often serrated or grooved edge of the cup, a lid bends plop. A careless worm slips through the opening and quickly sinks into a vat of sticky, caustic liquid with smooth walls. Just as the bacteria in the human stomach aid in the digestion of food, the bacteria in the cups of tropical pitcher plants are involved in digestion. A pitcher plant's cup can be compared to its stomach. The majority of tropical pitcher plants obtain their essential supply of nitrogen from decomposing insects, but others have developed other unusual strategies to obtain this important nutrient. Take N cups, for example. Ampliaria are characterized by their wide mouths and open lids that allow them to capture falling leaf litter, which breaks down into nitrogen. This plant lacks the vivid color and sweet scent of most of its cousins because it doesn't need to attract insects. Some other species attract smaller animals. The real benefit of mammal droppings, which are rich in nitrogen, is not that plants eat animals. Some animals have evolved to live in the seemingly inhospitable cups of tropical pitcher plants. These organisms are mostly bacteria, but also include several invertebrates, many larvae, and at least one species of frog. Some of these creatures are unique to the place. For example, some mosquito larvae finish their life stage in a liquid environment inside a cup, where they feed on other larvae. Ants live in hollow chambers inside pitcher plants, and they enter pitchers to feed on trapped prey. This is the case for at least one species of pitcher plant. If you want to learn more about this unusual plant and other amazing carnivorous plants, please like and subscribe to Amazing Forest for more interesting plant videos. Portuguese Sundew. Portuguese Sundew, scientific name Drosophilum lusitanicum, is a rare and interesting carnivorous plant native to the Mediterranean regions of northern Morocco and southern Europe. So our carnivorous friends developed a resourceful way to bring a little life into their diet. Each leaf has red, hair-like tentacles that secrete dewdrops from their globular glands. Those sparkling droplets are made of water and complex sugars. They lure insects like this unfortunate weed with their sweet smell and taste. But before long, the hemp is hopelessly stuck in this super sticky substance. Sessile glands at the base of the tentacles release digestive enzymes into the prey. Some sandwiches, like this spiny variety, dissolve their food on the spot. But Cape Sundew goes further than that. Over the course of several hours, it grasps its food tightly with its leaves. By completely engulfing its prey, the sundew can extract even more nutrients. Next, the plant produces digestive enzymes that break down the insect's body and release vital nutrients. Mature plants are also great at catching insects as they emit a strong scent that is similar to honey to attract prey. These plants resist dark or wet conditions and prefer full sun and dry. Cobra lily. An amazing carnivorous plant that looks like a snake is the cobra lily. Its leaves are shaped like a forked tongue that draws insects in, giving them the shape of a cobra's head. A worm that lands under a peeling leaf eventually gets lost and falls into a pit of digestive enzymes at the bottom, unable to find its way out. After digestion by the worm, the plant obtains nutrients from it, allowing it to thrive in the nutrient-deficient soil. Native to the western states of the United States, including California and Oregon, cobra lilies thrive in cold, swampy environments. They require low temperatures and flowing, fresh water to mimic their native environment, making them difficult to care for. If you want to learn more about this unusual plant and other amazing carnivorous plants, please like and subscribe to Amazing Forest for more interesting plant videos. SBC, and to know about such amazing plants and animals of the forest, subscribe this channel, The Amazing Forest.